Are you still fighting the VA alone and losing? Every month you wait to master this process can mean thousands you're not receiving. I built a select, elite group of veterans who help you to get service connected fast. Bi-weekly calls, real tactics, real results, stop going solo, and start winning. I've been there. Marine Corps 25 years ago, I left with a 0% service connection, zero. I learned and mastered the AI-driven claims process, achieving 100% permanent total rating. Then I started helping other vets to do the same, step by step, not theory, field-tested moves that stand up when it counts. If your current path isn't moving the needle, it's time to change the tactics. In our crew, we bring together the best minds so you don't waste another year figuring this out. Here's what you're going to get with our system. Bi-weekly strategy meetings, live tactical sessions to speed up your claim, come with questions, leave with your next steps. Unlimited coaching access. You get direct guidance between calls so you never get stuck. Statement drafting help. We sharpen your lay statements until they're crisp, credible, and consistent. Decisive medical nexus strategy. We map the service connection theory and help you pursue the proper medical evidence to prove it. Do it right, worksheets and templates. Plug and play checklists so you stop guessing and start executing. Accountability and momentum. Show up, apply the steps, and win the inches that win the claim. This is community and not chaos. We learn, teach, and repeat together. We're selective. We take on the vets when we see a clear path to your target rating, often 100% P&T. Often 100% P&T. If you've been denied, stuck in appeals, or flat out ignored, we'll triage your case and fix the pain points. Evidence gaps, weak statements, bad theory, or missed secondaries. If you're selected, you're going to get unlimited coaching during your ramp up, hands-on help drafting your statements, winning strategies to secure strong nexus evidence, bi-weekly live calls, plus community support so you never stall. So here's the truth. Every week you delay is another week you don't control your timeline. If your effective date slips, your retro can suffer. If your evidence remains weak, your denials keep piling up. If your statements stay vague, the VA fills in the blanks and not in your favor. What if 60 days from now you were done guessing, had your evidence lined up, and were confident in your claim plan? That's what this group is for. Spots are limited, so we can focus on coaching deep rather than wide. So if you want it, step 1, hit the link in the lessons area or in the downloadable worksheet. Schedule your interview. Step 2, download the resources PDF in the lessons area. Please review the qualifications and the expectations for joining our community. If you're a fit, we'll invite you in. Step 3, join the next bi-weekly call. Get your statements dialed in, lock in your nexus strategy, and start moving your claim. Stop suffering in silence. Stop the rejections. Join a unit that executes. Apply now. Let's get this done together. So you made it through the boot camp. You built your opening salvo. Now it's time to stop going solo and plug into the crew that actually moves claims. Here's the deal. I left the Marine Corps 25 years ago with 0%. I learned that AI-driven claims process, did the work, and climbed to 100% P&T. Then I started helping other vets do the same, faster with fewer wrong turns. This community is how we do it. I run a bi-weekly Zoom where we triage your case alive. You'll get next steps, not guesswork. Tighten your statements, transparent, credible, clinical ready. Map your service connection strategy, direct, secondary, or aggravation. Identify evidence gaps and how to close them so you stop bleeding time. No fluff, no theory, real tactics from veterans who win. Why? Because every month you wait can mean money you've earned getting left on someone else's ledger. Here's how to lock your spot right now. Step 1, click on the link in the lessons areas and book your VA claims strategy call with me. Bring your top 3 issues, your latest decision letter if applicable, and your goal rating. Join the next bi-weekly Zoom. We'll sharpen your statement, line up your evidence, and give you a concrete plan for the next 30 days. Seats are capped so I can coach deep, not wide. When it fills, it closes. If you've been denied, stuck in appeals, or just tired of lowball decisions, this is the room you want to be in. You did the right part starting. Now, do the smart part. Finish with a unit that executes. Click on the link in the lessons area, book your call, and I'll see you in the inside.